Step 2 of the assignment. Inputting the tasks without the links. I will be cheating. I will be copying the tasks directly from the assignment. So we'll do a paste special here, and I just want the text data. This is not very pretty because it's still showing the duration, but that will do. So we just input the duration initially, 5 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days. Yes, you can automate that, of course. 2 days, 0.5 days, and here 1 day. So we've listed the tasks, we've listed the duration. Now there's only one thing to do. So what did we have on the resource? Looking at the assignment sheet, supervisor will get approval from the owner. So in the resource name, I will input here directly supervisor, and the supervisor will get final sign-off. So supervisor will be doing this one as well. Done. What else? The handyman 1 will buy the wood, the nails, and the lock. Okay, so that's for handyman 1. Then I should be able to find him here, or her. Here you go. What he will do, he will build the fence as well. Okay, so we can also drag it this way. You know, you put it on a corner like for Excel if you want to. But and what else will you do? Connect the gate to the fence. He will be doing this as well. Okay, and we are left with the handyman 2 will build the gate. So here I have to write it, handyman 2. That's it. There's also the note here saying the client name is John. We have a task for John. John's task is to provide the approval, but the supervisor's task is to get the approval from the homeowner. So for the moment we do not need to have John on this because the task is allocated to the supervisor. So that's it. So we have everything. As you can see here, there's no links because that's the purpose of the next step.